Hi, this is Lata. Today we are going to really take off with our first session, our first lesson on speech skills, English language speech skills. So shall we go to our lessons now?
Now we go to the tenses. Now why are we learning? The first lesson is tenses. Now why are we starting with tenses? Actually, tenses are the backbone of the English grammar. Now we are starting with the tenses because if you start speaking simple sentences in all the 12 tenses of English language, you start speaking a language with confidence and you feel totally happy. Any language for that matter, this is the very important step. So now there are three types of tenses: present, past, future. And every tense, all these three tenses has the subdivisions, 4 subdivisions here, 4 here. I have written only 4 here. And all these three has 4. In total, 4, it comes to 12. Now here the subdivisions for present tense are simple present, present continuous, present perfect, present perfect continuous. Now the first tense is simple present. We are going to take the first tense, simple present, and we are going to see the rules and where we use and the other lessons on this. Now coming to the usage of simple present. Simple present is used, so where do we use it? So we use it at the moment. Now for example, I take class now for you guys, and or which happens on a continuous or regular basis, which happens unceasingly. It goes on like that. Maybe every day or every month or every year, it goes on like that. It continues. Number 1 here, regular schedules in our life. For example, in our life, lot of things happens on a regular basis. We take bath, we have coffee, we go to office, we attend meetings every month, like that. Now regular schedules in the outside world. For example, the office gets over by 9:30. The school starts at 8:30. The flight takes off at 7:30, like that. Now the natural happenings like the sun shines, the stars twinkle, it rains during the rainy season, it goes on like that. So the things which are happening at the moment and which continues on a regular basis, hourly basis, daily basis, monthly basis, like that. You will be clear with all these things in the next sessions. So the words normally we use are usually, regularly, seldom, very often, etc. So now I think this is somewhat clear. I know it's not going to be very clear, but in the coming sessions you are going to be very clear with all these things. Next we come to the sentence rule for simple present tense. So for the rule number 1, name he, she, it. The verb goes with yes or es. And number 2, they, we, you, I. The verb stands alone without s or es. Now this is first person singular. This is third person singular, third person singular, third person singular, and here this is third person plural and third person plural. and this is second person. This can be taken as singular or plural, which I will be explaining later, and this is first person singular. Now I am going to give you examples for this. Shyam reads. He reads. She reads. It reads. They read. We read. You read. I read. So you're clear with this? Now I'm giving you the simple sentence again. Simple example for simple sentence. Now simple sentence has, see, it can be formed with subject and the verb, and we can also add an object here, but I'm going to make it very simple here. A simple sentence can be formed with a subject and a verb. Example, Shyam reads. Now what is the subject here? Shyam. The verb is reads. Now subject I'll be explaining in other videos in detail. Here I'll just give you one for a small example. It is the main noun or the pronoun of a sentence. I will definitely explain this in the other videos. Now just understand this. Okay, it usually happens in the beginning of the sentence. That is what is the subject is. Next we are going to go to the task or the homework. Frame simple sentences using the following. So I have you have to frame sentences using these words here, which is the subject. You have to only frame sentences with the subject plus verb. At the moment we will not concentrate on the complement or the object. We just concentrate on the subject plus verb, which is going to be very simple for you. Now I have given you some subjects like name, he, she, you, I, they, it, we. Now you only have to add the verb according to the rule which I have given you today. So this is your task. Now since I've given these tasks, please give a try on these homework. Every session I'm going to give the task or the homework, so that you can practice a lot and get back to this channel, and you can put your comments on the comment section, and I will definitely help you with all these lessons. I will reply to your comments, and please hit the like button in case if you really like this, and don't forget to subscribe our channel, because you will get all the updated lessons. This is going to be in a series. I'm going to break up into small fractions or modules, so that any person, even to the basic level, can learn these lessons effortlessly and start speaking really in a really easy manner. So take care. Till then, goodbye.